Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed it, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get all the updated videos on Shopify store development. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about this section in the Shopify admin panel, pages. In the same playlist you are watching, we have discussed all the things related to home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, apps, and then themes and blog posts. And now we are on pages. So how to create page, how to set up pages on Shopify store. So you have to click on pages. After then you have to create. You can see that we have these options available. So we will see that how to make a page, how to publish it. So click on add page. Pages are very important to display different collections, to display different blogs and things that like contact us page. Okay, we have some built-in pages templates available in Shopify for every new Shopify store. You can see by clicking here. Okay, here you see we have contact template already built available. So we will just, the first method is to create a page with this title like new page. This can be anything like contact us, about us, or anything else. And then we have some custom description like this. Okay, this is just for demo purpose, the description. Okay, then you can make it visible, or you can also schedule it like on which date it should be visible. And there is some SEO section under the page like edit website SEO. Here you can make a title that will be visible to search engines for SEO purposes, like how you can rank your page in the Google search engine, Bing search engine, and other famous search engines. So you can make the title according to the keyword research with your page. New. We will talk on SEO in another playlist for all the things that are required for SEO purposes in Shopify. So here you have description for search engines, and here is the page URL handle for SEO purposes. After doing this, you can click save with default page, and you will see that the page has been created. You can view this page here on your store like this. Here you see we have new page here, and in the new page, as you see that this is showing like this. This is why, because we have not changed any sections on our new page. If you go here and if you go in the customization, then you will see that we will have some options to edit this page banner, and then the section in the page, and then the image banner. I think our page section is not visible in our customizer. We will customize it from here, like by clicking on customize in the theme customization. Sorry, here you can select pages, and then you can select default page, and here you see that the page section has been disabled. Page title, we have enabled it, and then we have some image banner. We can disable it. We can disable image with text. We can disable image banner. Okay, here we want to show some text that is been written inside the page itself. So we will see what section will cover it. Okay, you see here we have page option like page title and then page description. We have enabled it, and we will click on save. So when we will click here preview it again, you see that our page title that we have entered in the beginning and the description is showing here. We can still disable this thing, this below one thing, and then save it, and we will see that how it looks like now. Okay, here is the page we created in the pages section, and it's showing like this. There are other features, other sections in OS 2.0. Now we have option available to make all the sections on anywhere in the store. Before, we don't have this option in Shopify 1.0. We can only make dynamic sections on home page, and on other pages other than home page we don't have option. We didn't have option to add any of these sections on other pages, but here in Shopify 2.0 we can still add all the sections on all pages for more conversions purposes. So this is a good thing to have Shopify 2.0. So these were all the things related to pages, how to create a page, and if we create a new page, and in this page if we select already built-in contact template, and we will make it title contact us, and here you see when we save it, it will be showing like this. Okay, you see here we have select the built-in contact template, and all these sections, name, email, phone number, and comment is showing like this because it is already pre-built on Shopify. So this was the another option of creating page with pre-built templates, and we have covered all the things related to page section, this section here. In the next video we will see how to create navigations, how to make blog posts in navigation, collections in navigation, pages in navigation. Anything that we want to add in navigation, we can do it in the navigation section. Thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get all the upcoming videos regarding Shopify store development. Thank you so much. Bye bye.